Hi, good evening, Yashmit. How does it feel to be a recommended candidate now?
Good evening, sir, and I'm feeling and sir, it is a really nice feeling to be one of those SSB recommended candidates. One I always wish to be, and sir, really I'm very happy.
Okay, Yashmit, tell the audience or the defense aspirants who must be watching your video. How did you first get this thought of joining the defense services?
Sir, my answer quite seem contradictory since I am coming from a civil background, and sir, that is actually what motivated me to join the defense forces. Actually, I always wanted my family to, be a defense background family and stay in those disciplined bounties and limits. And so recently, my cousin also went for Indian Navy, so that actually motivated me to join Indian Armed Forces.
Okay, and your cousin joined Indian Navy. He's already commissioned or he just recently joined the academy?
Yes, he is already commissioned.
Okay, he's elder to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fair enough. So, Yashmit, when this must have happened for you in your 11th, in your 10th, or in your 12th that you decided that no, I want to join the defense.
It was in 10th class, sir, when I searched about National Defense Academy on internet. Actually, I was searching about the career options that I can choose since I have to choose about my subjects after 10th. So I got to know about it and I was quite happy that yes, this can be my cup of tea. So I went for
Okay.
it.
Okay. So you are now going to be appearing for the 12th board
Yes, sir.
in May, June, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So you see, I always tell my Mission NDA cadets, if you clear the NDA examination in the September attempt when you are going to be appearing in the 12th, that gives you so much of confidence later because your your NDA exam is over, your SSB is over. Now what? Now rest of it is going to be a cakewalk. Just appear for the board, do fairly well there, and then you are hitting the gates of NDA. That's wonderful. So you
Yes.
must be a very relieved person now.
Yes, sir. You said it right that my confidence is high, but still I cannot compromise with my class 12 marks. I'll toil hard and will prove my excellence in this aspect too.
Yeah, of course that one should do. But what I'm saying is, at least you don't have the pressure.
No, sir, no pressure.
Yes, that's the point I'm trying to tell you. But Yashmit, I would also, advise you to think of appearing for the April attempt also, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, just keep that with you. Just keep that with you, right? And you're a Air Force aspirant, I was told. So, and also I was told that you could not clear the CPSS.
Yes, sir.
What went wrong in CPSS? I mean, of course, that's a very natural ability, but what do you think went wrong in that?
Sir, in that first cognitive test, my performance I think was quite good. But in that psychomotor test one, I actually got somewhat overconfident. I tried to overlook the instructions and it seemed quite easy, but it was not. It was very difficult for me actually. I don't know for others, but for me, for handling that pedals and so, sir, after my failure, I was not that much sad because even if I would have passed CPSS, I would be a bad pilot.
No, no. Of course, these psychomotor skills are inborn, innate, and this is not trainable. And that is the reason that you get this attempt only once in your lifetime.
Yes, sir.
That's fair enough. Doesn't matter. As uniform in any branch is fair. You're ultimately serving in the defense services and serving the country. That's
Yes,
very
sir.
good. So tell me, how did you go about preparing for the written test, and then I would talk about the SSB. So you made up your mind in 10th and you decided that you will take science. So in 11th and 12th, your this video is going to be very, very helpful for all those young boys who may be looking at mission NDA or NDA as a mission. And so what would you advise them? How should they approach this whole thing?
Sir, as far as the written examination is concerned, regarding to that maths part, the maths part is more or less concerned with that 60% of 11th math syllabus and 40% of 12th math syllabus. So my advice to the students or the defense aspirant would be that they should focus uh, on their maths starting from 11th and from 12th. That would really give them great confidence. And sir, science students, they actually lack in general science and current affairs sections. So I think that working on English, maths, and science will surely help to get them great grades. And if you are able to do general science, that is really better. That is more better.
You mean to say the general studies? I mean the history, geography, polity, economy, right? But that's again based on 10th level SST, 8th to 10th, isn't it?
But yes, sir. But student who's going to going to have that science subjects, he or she would surely lack in that history subjects after 1 year that he would appear in that ND examination.
So you suggest that they should parallelly study those also if possible.
Yes, sir. That would be very
Revise
great.
8th, 9th, 10th SST. Yeah.
Yes.
So you also did the same.
Yes, sir. I also did the same. First of all, sir, actually, I analyzed the paper. It was in my 11th class, means I had given my 11th paper and then I analyzed. I also appeared for that ND 145 course, even though I was not eligible, but I wanted to give the paper. So, sir, I analyzed the previous year question papers and I searched on YouTube. So there is a lot of stuff present on internet from which you can practice. And sir, the most important thing is to stay positive, always have faith in your preparation and go for it.
So what was your regimen for particularly maths? I mean, how many MCQs you used to solve before the exam?
I'm not able to remember properly, but I can give an approximation that before my exam, I gave at least 20 mock tests of the whole NDA paper.
Where did you get these mock tests from?
Sir, on internet and sir, our website, it provided opportunity to get the mock tests.
Okay. But before the mock test, you did not prepare or you did not practice number of questions every day.
Sir, actually, seeing from the mock test, you get an idea of what type of questions you would be faced with. So after that, you can mark your areas that these are the areas in which I need improvement, and those are the areas in which yes, I can score better.
So you suggest any website where these question papers mock tests are available?
Sir, at my time it was Unacademy where these papers were available. It was a Maha mock test series of 10 consecutive mock tests, and 10 mock tests were those that I did from net or from some books.
Okay. And which book did you refer for the NDA return?
Sir, Pathfinder.
Okay, great. Arihant Publications.
Yes.
Wonderful. So what do you think, how much do you think you are expecting to score in the written test?
Sir, after completely analyzing my from all the institutional answer keys, I think that I would surely score up to 400 marks, 395 to 400s. I can guarantee them.
Very good. That is reasonably very good score. And well, now let us come to the SSB. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what exactly did you do for the SSB? I mean, you started after you got the call for the SSB, or you started immediately after your written examination?
Actually, starting from the call and wasting those days would be as you say, foolhardiness. So actually, I started before the call. As soon as I realized that yes, I can clear the examination, the first thing that I did, sir, is to read newspaper daily, and not reading the whole newspaper, but concentrating on some specific news that can really help you. And sir, one more thing, I ordered especially your books for SSB interview, the complete guide. And sir, it really helped me a lot. It gave me an idea to what is going to be happen in the interview, and what are the tips and the tricks that can be used. And sir, moreover, there are a lot of videos present on YouTube to which defense aspirants can refer to unleash their preparation for SSB.
So you didn't choose to go to any academy for training?
Sir, actually, I had in a dilemma of going to academy because I thought that what good would a academy do for me? Well, means my personality is my personality. But sir, I was quite wrong. Related to my psychology part, I really faced quite difficulties in writing stories and how to write perfect responses of situations which are in the psych test. So, sir, I came to know about that psych test mastery coaching program. And sir, first I was hesitating to take part in it, but then I decided that yes, I have to do it, and let's take a chance. And sir, it means it proved to be very beneficial for me. Ashok sir really helped me a lot with all his explanations of word by word.
So, I mean, how this could have really helped you, because your personality is your personality. That's what you say just now.
That's what I'm saying, sir. But my thought was quite a wrong one. So I decided to take psych test, and after that, means I wanted to improve my psychology and know the tips and the tricks with which I can write a better story, a positive one. And sir, according to me, that is the most fundamental problem that any defense aspirant or an SSB aspirant would face in related to psych test in as to how to frame a good and a positive story. So sir, in that way, Ashok sir really helped me. Means he checked every word of my story, and sir, that was the thing I'm very happy for. Means every word, every situation, everything.
See, the assessors who are part of AFPA, you can be rest assured that they are 100% committed. They just don't do things in a hurry or just to fool the candidate. Whatever is there, I mean, we'll put in our hard work always, and we will very point blank tell you where you need to improve, how you need to improve. Right.
Actually,
See, it is not. It is. I would still say. I don't know whether you had attended my webinar during the pandemic on the 15 OLQs that I taught.
But yes, sir. I really attended your webinar on that 15 OLQs to get a better feel of what these qualities are. And sir,
Okay.
I must say it was a really great one.
See what happens. I mean, my understanding of the whole thing after so many years of being associated with this, that it is not that the candidates don't have it in them. The candidates do have it in them, but they just doesn't know. They don't know how to portray that, how to project it. So that is all that we try and do. We help you project what you have in a better way to the assessor, so that he makes up his mind quickly. Or there's no doubt, there's no element of doubt, right? So that is what I keep saying, that it is not that we are looking for Einsteins, or we are looking for something out of the box or out of the world. We are looking for average human being, and I'm sure all of us are average. It's just that little bit of polishing of, or a little bit of understanding, how should I project these OLQs. Firstly, know them, what it is, what are these OLQs, right? And how do I project this through various tests? If a candidate can do this, that's very easy to get through. So I'm very happy, Yashmit, to hear this, that AFPA Psych Test Mastery, an online program where you don't have to really travel, spend a lot of money, sitting at the comfort of your house. You can get a professional expert, guide who can teach you or tell you how to project yourself better. That's wonderful. So thereafter, what happened? I mean, that was the only thing that you wanted to learn. You are comfortable with your interview and the GTO technique?
Sir, I was comfortable with my interview, but I was not sure about the GTO technique. And sir, actually, I got quite late while judging and deciding that yes, I need a coaching, but I would advise defense aspirant that you should not waste time. Just go for it. I would approve AFPA's coaching that it is,
No,
according to
no,
me, best coaching that I have
no,
taken.
no. You see, you're not seen AFPA's coaching, so I don't think Yashmit should even say this. But the point is, did you find it difficult to do on ground when you went to the SSB without coaching?
Uh, for a while, sir, just for a while. But after it, when you get used to what is to be done, ideas really pop up in your mind. And sir, after watching a lot of videos and going through the book, according to me, for me actually, it was quite means it was not that much difficult.
Yeah. See, it's basically a very fundamental concept, and it's not actually very difficult. It is just that if you understand the concept well, you will be able to do it very easily. Fair enough. That's wonderful. So after that, your medicals are over already.
Yes, sir, my medicals are over and I'm fit for Air Force ground duties and Army.
Very good. So when were you recommended actually, and from which board?
Sir, I was recommended from 4 FSB Varanasi, and my batch started on 8th, and I was recommended on 14th Feb.
Oh, okay. Okay. Just about 15 days back, or 14 days back. Fine. Fair enough. So now you're waiting, you'll be waiting eagerly for the merit list.
Yes, sir, I'm eagerly waiting for the merit list.
So how many vacancies are there for the ground duty?
They are just 28, sir.
28. 28. Fine. So how long did you have to wait outside the conference hall before you were called in?
Sir, some of the chest numbers before me were just getting inside and going out, getting inside and going out. And sir, when my turn came, I was also hoping the same, but I was uh, told to wait for at least about 15 to 20 minutes that I actually know. And it might be more, but sir, I cannot make an approximation right now. But easily it was 15 to 20 minutes, and I was trying to listen what was happening in the conference hall, but I was not able to.
Okay, that's wonderful. But doesn't matter. Now what matters is the result, and
Yes, sir.
you have come out successful. And where do you belong to, Yashmit?
Sir, I hail from Jhajjar, Haryana.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. I'm sure the entire Jhajjar must have rejoiced when they heard about your success. Haryana is a place where soldiers are celebrated,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is a very big thing. I'm sure you live in a village or you live in
Yes,
proper
sir.
city.
I live in a village, sir. And
Amazing,
by God grace, I am the only one from my village who has got selected for NDA.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Well, Yashmit, it was wonderful talking to you, and I'm sure whatever little things that you told is going to help a lot of defense aspirants, young boys of your age, and uh, you know you will be watched several times over.
Yes, sir.
One last message. How Yashmit got success in the whole process.
Yes, sir. Well, sir, for getting successful, Yashmit was positive. Yashmit was means never negative, always positive. Think positive and express the original version of yourself always. If you lie, you are caught in the SSB. And sir, means when you are in a friendly relation with all your course mates and your roommates, means even their psychology changes that yes, he is a recommended candidate.
Okay, great, great, wonderful, Yashmit. It was nice talking to you. I
Thank you,
take
sir.
very short interviews, but मुद्दे की बात समझनी होती है, सुननी होती है,
No
और
problem.
बच्चों को सुनानी होती है. And I really wish you all the very best, and may God be with you. May you be
Thank
there in the merit list and you join the forge with pride and serve the nation with pride. And I'm
you. Yes,
sure
sir.
your parents must be the happiest one today that you
Yes,
have
sir.
made it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do convey our regards to your parents from AFPA, and
Sure, sir.
we really wish you once again all the good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Jai
Bye,
Hind.
sir. Jai Hind, sir.